Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Mercedes E-Class here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, make sure your ignition is turned on, and then we're going to use the buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of us. Now from here, we're going to scroll to the right until you get to where it says serve, then just press down, then click OK on the tyre pressure, then press down again. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press OK to confirm, and then it will notify you by saying tyre pressure monitor restarted.